Welcome everyone to What's Happening in Crypto, bringing you all of the latest from the crypto world and beyond. Were the 2018 US midterm elections a good thing for the cryptocurrency industry? Well, surprisingly, the Russians didn't use Bitcoin to hack the elections again. At least neither party nor the media has started the blame train yet. Yet, of course, being the key word here. By the way, before we begin this investigation, I want to point out that this is not an endorsement of any of the people who were elected, nor of any of their policies outside of the narrow sphere of cryptocurrency, nor is an endorsement of either party, as both parties, in my opinion, are totally whacked pro-war and only respond to money. That being said, let's start off with the new governor of Wyoming. Mark Gordon is a pro-blockchain advocate. Wyoming has been actively working to get on the blockchain train in recent times, with the outgoing governor also having been a pro-crypto advocate. And just this year, we have seen COINBASE return to Wyoming after a 3-year hiatus, a crypto-friendly bank being proposed, and of course, an influx of Bitcoin miners chasing that cheap electricity. Governor Gordon has proposed, among other things, exempting crypto businesses from state money transmitter regulations. The governor was a board member of the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City, which many crypto enthusiasts may see as being an anti-crypto thing, but it seems that Gordon is actually taking the business approach to the cryptocurrency industry, which may serve as a very strong positive for the state of Wyoming. Next up is Gavin Newsom, the new governor of California. Considering the size and importance of California in the global and American economy, and of course the importance of San Francisco as a global crypto hub with many major firms having head offices located there, it is super exciting to see a pro-crypto politician getting into office in California. Gavin has expressed his enthusiasm about Bitcoin many times before and is an early adopter of the technology. He even accepted Bitcoin during his 2014 bid for the governorship, being one of the first governors in the USA to do so. Although, considering the recent move by California to prohibit Bitcoin in elections in the state, this has meant that he was unable to do so this time. A very curious addition to this story is that Newsom was backed by the Winklevoss twins. They donated substantially to his campaign, evidently seeing the benefit of having a pro-crypto governor sitting in office. Time will tell if their bet pays off, but my guess is that having a governor sitting in office who is a fan of digital money, who is only a short phone call away from massive industry players like the Winklevoss twins, will ensure that any pro-crypto initiatives coming across his desk will be passed, and that any anti-crypto initiatives will not be. Also worth noting is that while he is openly pro-Bitcoin, he did not make it a campaign issue. Perhaps the most exciting victory was Jared Polis, who has often said that he would fight the anti-crypto narrative that exists and push for more clarity at a federal level. Jared has taken over the governorship of Colorado, a state which has been on the leading edge of key issues like cannabis legalization. Jared is also the co-founder of the Congressional Blockchain Congress, and now as governor, he has stated that he wants to use blockchain to improve elections and to create a safe harbor for cryptocurrencies in Colorado, exempting them from state money transmission laws. Interesting to see that one. And again, Jared has even gone so far as stating that he wants Colorado to become a national hub for blockchain innovation, and he wants to encourage companies to come to Colorado. In fact, he is so serious that he even has his own 5-point plan, which was part of his campaign, laying out the plan for getting these companies to come to Colorado. Polis even once jokingly urged a ban on the US dollar in response to Joe Manchin's call for a Bitcoin ban. Now that is a serious pro-crypto candidate. Someone who has actually mentioned it on the campaign trail is very refreshing, so very much welcome to Mr. Polis in Colorado. Also noteworthy but less discussed is the re-election of governors in Texas and Rhode Island, who are both pro-crypto. But I personally am waiting for Mecca Fee to hit the presidential scene in 2020, smoking and drinking his way across America, promoting cryptocurrencies and getting wild tattoos. I'm not sure it'd be the best PR for crypto, but man, that would be good TV without a doubt. He, of course, has stated that all he wants to do is promote cryptocurrency, not to become president. Too bad, because that would be frickin' wild. Overall, the US political system is broken and has by and large failed its citizens at nearly every opportunity. Having pro-crypto politicians is great. And don't misunderstand me, I am excited to see pro-crypto politicians entering into office here. But at the end of the day, who seriously trusts politicians anymore? Money is what talks in politics. The campaign donations by the Winklevoss twins and the recent announcement of a pro-crypto DC lobby group backed by key crypto industry players is what is going to get results, because money is all that politicians really understand. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I would love to know what you think about the US midterms and its effect on Bitcoin just down below there in the comment section. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to keep up to date with what's happening in crypto. Come and join the conversation over on Twitter. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.